Now, good day students. Today we are dealing with measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency. Now there are things we must know. The meaning of average. It's a simple number that represents a set of data. Mean. We are also going to be discussing mean. Mean is the sum of data divided. That is when you sum up all the data divided by how many of the pieces of those data you have. And then median is the middle number when the data set is in rank, when you order them accordingly. Then you take the middle number. Then we have the mode is the number of occurrence, the one with highest number of occurrence, most often that appear in the given data. Okay, now let's see example. We have the ages of people attending 2 drug abuse clinics are given below. We have young persons clinic and we have adult clinic. Okay, now for young persons clinic we have 18. These are their ages: 18 years, 15, 18, 12, 15, 12, 15, 19. Okay? Now, for adult clinic, we have 28, 33, 45, 32, 37, 35, 27, 33, 36, and then 37 years. These are their ages. Okay? Now, let's take them one after the other. We have A. Young persons clinic. The first one. Young persons clinic. Okay, now let's see what is it that we want to find the mean, the median, and the modal age. Now, what is the mean? Mean is when you sum up the whole of these young ages together and divide by how many are they? Okay, now let's add together. We have 15 plus 18 plus 18 plus 15 plus 12 plus 15 plus 19 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 7. So your mean will give you what? Now let's add them together. You have 15, 15, 15, you have 45. Okay, you have 36, 36, and then you have this plus this will be 31. Let's add together. We have 2, remainder 1, and then 5. We have 1, 1, 2 over 7. All right. Now let's see. 7 goes in 11. What do we have? We have 1. What do you have left? 4. Now 7 goes in 42. You have 6. Hence, your mean is what? The mean age is 16 years. Okay, that's the mean age. Now let's take the next one. For the young person's clinic, what is mean? This is mean, don't forget. And then what is median? Median is after you have arranged them accordingly. Okay, that is when you can take the median number. Let's arrange them together. One after, from lowest to the to the highest. The lowest here is 12. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. And then you have 18, 18, and then 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one falls at the center? This is 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. The one at the center is 15. Median is 15. Okay? Now let's take the next one. We are taking the mode. What's the modal age? Modal age is the one that has many people that belong to that age group. Okay? That are called the most. Okay, now look at this. Which one occurred the most here?
15.
You have 18, you have twice, 15, you have 3 times. So modal age, this is years. Modal age is equal to 15 years. Hence, the final answer. Now let's take for B, adult clinic. Adult clinic. Okay, let's see adult clinic. Okay, now what's the mean for adult clinic? Mean, we give you, let's add them together. You have 28 plus 33 plus 45 plus 32 plus 37 plus 35 27
33,
33
36,
36
and 37.
plus 37 all over what? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 all over what? 10. Okay, let's see the calculation for this. Adding this together, we have 343 divided by 10. So this will give you what? This will give you what? 34 3 over 10. Hence your final answer. Let's see. We have gotten, this is the mean. Don't forget this. We are getting median and mode as well. Median is the one at the center when you arrange them according to order. Okay, let's start. Let's arrange them according to order. Which is the lowest? Which is this
27.
smallest? There, let's go 27, 27,
28,
28,
32.
32, 33. Any other 33?
Yes. Another 33.
Another 33. Do we have any other one? 35, 36, 35, 36,
37.
37, 14,
37, another 37.
another 37,
45.
45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's correct. Now, let's see the median. Now, we have 10 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these two falls in at the middle. They fall at the middle. Okay, so you have what? 33 plus 35. Now, once there are two numbers at the center, then you divide it by 2 when you add them together. Okay, this will give you what? 68 over 2 to give you what? You have 34 years. Don't forget, you have your years. You have your years here. Now, convert this to years anyway. Now, you have mode, modal age. Modal age. Which one occurs the most among these ones here? Which one occurs the most among these?
37 twice.
So you have 33 and 37, yes?
Yes.
So you have 33 and 37 years. Hence the final answer. Now, another example the table below gives the score of 20 students in mathematics class. Now, these are the scores, the students' scores, and it means 2 students scored 11, 1 student scored 12, 3 of them scored 13, 6 of them scored 14, 5 scored 15, 3 of the students scored 16. Okay, let's say our X will be our scores. You have 11, 12, 13, X 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we have our frequency. This score is our X, and this our F frequency. Okay? Now we have frequency is what? 2, 1, 3, 6, 5, and 3. Now get Fx. Fx means when you multiply X and F together. Okay? Let's go. 11 times 2. What do we have? 22. 12 times 1. 12. 13 times 3. 39. 14 times 6. What do we have? This 4 to 84. Then 15 times 5. What is 15 times 5? You have 75. And then 16 times 3, you have 48. Okay? Now, there's a formula for mean. There's a formula for mean. What's this formula for mean? Mean is equal to sum of fx over what? Sum of frequency. This sign means summation of f of x, that is sum of all these x. When you add them together, what you have here, then sum of f here, sum of frequency, sum of fx. You want to get there. Okay, so what's the sum for this? Let's add our frequency together. 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 12, 17, and 20. They are all 20 up together. Okay, now let's add this together. You have what? 280. 280. Okay, so therefore, what's our mean? Our mean is equal to summation fx, which is what? 280 over what? Summation f, which is 20. What do we have? 20, 0 cancels 0. 2 goes there, you have what? 14. Hence, your final answer. Alright? Now let's take the others very quickly. Now, don't forget we are getting the mean, median, and mode. What is our mode? Our median. What's our median here? How do we get our median? Now, look at this. Now, median for, what would be this mid number for all this now? What would be the mid number? How do we calculate it? You may calculate with the frequency. Let's look at this. Let's add together now. What's the median mark? That's what we want to get. Now, what do we have here? 2 plus 1, what is it? 3 plus 3. 6 plus 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6 will be 12. It means your median class. What's the median number for 20? You know you have 20 students altogether. So what's the median number half of 20 is what? 10. 10 will be the one, the number 10 will be at the middle. Yes or no? So it means it falls here. This here is what? Is 12. It means 10 is still among these. So it means this is our what? Median. This our median is what? 14. Median is 14. Okay? We want to show it to see whether we are correct. Let's start arranging them. How many level do we have? 2 level. Let's go. Level. How many 12 do we have? 1 12. Okay? 12. How many 13? 3. 1 2 3. How many 14? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. Okay? Now, how many 15 do we have? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And then how many 16 do we have? How many 16 do we have? We have what? 3. 1 2 3. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So let's count them now. Middle number, you have arranged them. Before you can get your median, you have to arrange them accordingly. They are already arranged there. Okay, that's why we can use this directly. But alternatively, this is how you can get, you will still get the same 14. Let's go. We are taking 10 from behind and then 10 from the front. Let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It falls here, right?
Yes.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It falls here, right?
Yes.
You have 2 of them. So what do we have? 14 plus 14 over 2. Is that not? 28 over 2. What do you have? 14. Hence, your final answer. Alright? Now, let's take the mode. Mode. Mode is the what? The one with what? The highest frequency. So which one has the highest frequency? Look at the frequency we have. Which one has the highest frequency? What score has highest frequency? Which score? This is the frequency. Which one is highest among them? 6 is the highest frequency. So which score is it? It's 14. Hence, your final answer. Now, please, students, pay attention. This is work to do. Now, in your textbook, page 153, exercise 16b, do number 4, C and D, and then you do number 5 and number 15. Please do it in your note, snap it, and send it to me. Thank you.